One of the most talked about wireless machines just landed on my desk. This is the CNC Kronos 2. It's a wireless pen that promises a fully adjustable stroke from 2.7 millimeters all the way up to 4.5 millimeters. Today, we're going to get it out of the box and see if it lives up to the hype. First impressions of the packaging: clean, professional, and sturdy. Let's see what's inside. Right on top, we have the machine itself. It's got a nice weight to it. Feels like solid aircraft aluminum. Alongside the pen, we have the standout feature here is this adjustment ring. Most machines require you to swap cams, but with the Kronos 2, you just twist. The OLED display is crisp. It shows your voltage, battery life, and even a timer. The buttons feel clicky and responsive, which is a big plus when you're working with gloves and barrier film. The grip diameter is very comfortable. It's not too chunky, which is great for long sessions. Let's listen to the motor. Pause for sound. It's remarkably quiet, and the vibration is minimal, even at the higher stroke settings. For a wireless setup under $300, the versatility of having an adjustable stroke in one pen is a game changer for artists who do a mix of styles. I'll be putting this through its paces on some actual skin very soon, so stay tuned for the full performance review. What do you think of the Kronos 2? Is the adjustable stroke enough to make you switch? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gear unboxings. See you in the next one.